everybody, welcome back. And I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who has supported me and subscribed. And if you're new, I do hope you consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much. I've already applied this Model 1's base coat, and I'm going to polish each one of these nails a different color. And I'll show you along the way which colors I'm going to be using, and they're all going to have two coats. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm using the Model 1's No Wipe top coat to prep for the chrome application. I'm going to use the same steps in each of these nails, but I'm just going to show you this one to keep the length of the video down. After curing all this, it's ready for the chrome powder. And this set of chrome powder, it comes with 20 different colors. Some of them might be the same, but same color, but some are hollow, and others are regular mirrored powders. It's an awesome set, and I love them. If you look closely as I'm rubbing this in, there's a spot that was just really stubborn. Sometimes there's residue on there that keeps the chrome from sticking, so all you have to do is get a little bit of alcohol on a wipe around that general area. Don't worry about ruining anything else, because when you go back over it with the chrome after you let the alcohol dry, it's going to turn out lovely. If it doesn't, just try it again, but usually that's the trick to get it to stick. Now that it's all protected by the no wipe top coat, I can wipe this nail down, get all of the little leftover chrome powder bits off, and get it ready for the next part of the design. Well, this is it for part one. So, this is the wrapping paper, and then part two is going to be me making the bows. A little bit intense, but it was a lot of fun. So, I really hope you come back and watch part two and see how I did it. Thank you so much for watching.